family and friends. Welcome to Fluent Ease English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about family and friends. After this lesson, you will be able to introduce your family. This is my family, my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister. Talk about relationships, my husband, my wife, my son, my daughter. Describe loved ones. My mom is kind, my wife is smart, my son is 5 years old. Introduce friends. Tom is my best friend. Let's get started. Mini story, family dinner, and a best friend visit. It is Sunday evening. Anna sits with her family at the dinner table. She shows a picture and says, "This is my family photo." Her dad smiles. Anna says, "My dad is a teacher." Her mom laughs. Anna says, "My mom is very kind." Her brother eats quickly. Anna says, "I have one brother." Her sister helps set the table. Anna says, "My sister is older than me." Anna looks at her husband and says, "My husband is a doctor." Her husband smiles and says, "Yes, I work at the hospital." Anna looks at her daughter and says, "My daughter likes dancing." The little girl stands up and dances happily. Her son claps and Anna says, "My son is 5 years old." Suddenly, the doorbell rings. Anna opens the door and says, "This is Tom, my best friend." Tom waves and says, "Hello, everyone." The family eats dinner, laughs, and talks. Anna feels happy with her family and her best friend. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story, family dinner, and a best friend visit. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It is Sunday evening. Anna sits with her family. When is it? Sunday evening. Who sits with her family? Anna. Where does Anna sit? At the dinner table. Anna shows a picture and says, "This is my family photo." What does Anna show? Her family photo. Who says, "This is my family photo"? Anna. Does Anna show a family photo or a movie? A family photo. Anna says, "My dad is a teacher." Who is a teacher? Her dad. Does Anna's dad work as a doctor or a teacher? A teacher. Whose dad is a teacher? Anna's dad. Anna says, "My mom is very kind." Who is very kind? Her mom. Does Anna say her mom is kind or rude? Kind. Whose mom is kind? Anna's. Anna says, "I have one brother." How many brothers does Anna have? One brother. Does Anna have one brother or two brothers? One brother. Who has one brother? Anna. Anna says, "My sister is older than me." Who is older than Anna? Her sister. Does Anna say her sister is older or younger? Older. Whose sister is older? Anna's. Anna says, "My husband is a doctor." Who is a doctor? Her husband. Does Anna's husband work as a teacher or a doctor? A doctor. Whose husband is a doctor? Anna's. Anna says, "My daughter likes dancing." Who likes dancing? Her daughter. Does Anna's daughter like dancing or singing? Dancing. Whose daughter likes dancing? Anna's daughter. Anna says, "My son is 5 years old." How old is Anna's son? 5 years old. Is Anna's son 5 or 10? 5. Whose son is 5 years old? Anna's son. Anna says, This is Tom, my best friend. Who is Anna's best friend? Tom. Does Anna say Tom is her best friend or her brother? Her best friend. Who introduces Tom? Anna. Great job! You've just finished today's lesson about family and friends. Now you can introduce family members, describe them, and talk about your best friend in English. Keep practicing every day until these phrases become automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Ease English for more daily practice. See you in the next lesson. Talk to you soon.